Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to send a Minecraft world file to your friends using Google Drive. You have to have a Google Drive account to do this, I believe. So here we go. The first step is to go to your little Windows thing down here, and go to %appdata%, and you have to type in the full thing because otherwise this folder here, the one you need, won't show up. But you get it, you open it, it'll open and you're going to want to click .minecraft. And you're going to want to go from in .minecraft to saves. Find the world you want to send, whatever it's named here. We'll go with 1.12 world. Copy it. Paste it to your desktop. You can flatten this for now. And then you're going to want to right click it and send to compressed zip folder. It will send it down here, and you can name this whatever. I'm just going to name it Zawarudo. You can just load up Google Drive by going into Google and typing Google Drive, and it'll bring you to this one, Google Drive. It'll look like this. I'm using Google Drive for personal usage, so it's brought me to my drive where I have text documents and file folders and things, zip folders from various usages. You can use it for whatever, you know. And I'm going to click New up here, and then I'm going to click Folder Upload, and then I'm going to click oh wait, sorry, no. I'm going to click File Upload, and then click Zaworldo, the world from earlier, and it will upload, and once it is done uploading, it will be here, and you can then just share, get a shareable link. Anyone can edit this, and then just copy the link. Click copy link, and from there you can just paste it into any Discord person or email or whatever you want, and it will send them to your Google Drive, and they can then download your world file. In this tutorial, I'm also going to show you how to download world links people have sent you. And so we're going to see you guys then in a minute. Okay, hey, so I signed into my secondary account on Discord. And I've gone to a basic server since this is just the easiest way for me to do this. I'm also going to send myself a friend request so that this becomes easier in the future. So you can just post the link in Discord, and then somebody on another account or somebody, whoever you're sending this to can then just click the link. It will take them to the page where they can then it'll take you to this page where it'll show you the folder in Zaworldo, which is 1.12 world, and then you can go right here and just click to download. The page will load, and it will download the zip folder. Once you have the zip folder on your computer, you can go back to %appdata%. You can open the zip folder, and then just click and drag 1.12 world into your saves. Or usually you're going to want to hold right click and then click and drag. So right click and drag, because then it'll give you this and you can actually move the folder instead of copying it there, which takes just a little bit less time. So this has been my tutorial on how to share worlds between your friends and how to download them. Thank you for watching. This is Hayden signing out, and I'll see you in the Skyhawklings. Remember to enjoy your worlds, and of course, play awesome. Bye.